A lot of our colleagues in food processing industry face critical question: how to detect micro cracks in plate heat exchangers with minimum downtimes and lowest cost of service. The main reasons for leakages of plate heat exchangers are thermal heats, aggressive chemical products, failures, and mistakes in operation of process equipment in which heat exchangers are integrated. Those reasons, and some other more specific to certain processes, lead to critical leakages. How we detect the hidden defects of plate heat exchangers? With our branded service Gas Test by Viravix Engineering. We use special gas which is absolutely safe. Gas contains 10% of hydrogen and 90% of nitrogen. Hydrogen in concentrations below 10% is totally safe. The smallest molecule of hydrogen is one of the guarantees that provides maximum accuracy of leakage detection. How does gas test work? Using special tools, our technician connects a cylinder with leakage detection gas to the section of heat exchanger which is going to be tested for hidden defects. The other section of the heat exchanger is connected to the pump of the gas test system that circulates air under atmospheric pressure through this section. If heat exchanger plates are not damaged, hydrogen molecules cannot penetrate to the section of the heat exchanger in which air is constantly circulating during the test. Gas test system constantly monitors even minor fluctuations in concentration of gases. If there is even the smallest defect in the heat exchanger, hydrogen molecules will seep through this place to the section in which airflow is circulating. A special sensor of our system dynamically records the concentration in volume of hydrogen in the heat exchanger section containing clean air. If it has leaked, with the sensor we can measure the concentration increase. When internal surfaces, plates of heat exchanger, are tested, we continue the test on external surfaces in order to check if there are leakages caused by the damaged seal. In cases when leakages were detected, our specialist will highlight exact place of the damage. One of the frequently asked questions among our clients is why gas test is better than hydraulic pressure test or other methods of testing heat exchangers for leakages and tightness. The first benefit is time. Gas test is the fastest leakage detection test. Your production lines will have more time available for production from several hours and up to 2-3 days. The second benefit is minimum involvement of your team. While we do the tests, your team can do other things, for example maintenance. The third benefit is efficiency and accuracy. Gas test is the most accurate leakage test compared to any other. This is proved by the fact that hydrogen molecules are 9 times smaller than a molecule of water. That is why gas test allows to detect not only holes and cracks, but corrosion defects, physical and chemical wear of material of plates, and precisely check seals of heat exchanger. It is important to highlight that our method is preventive and detects the problem before you will have leakage and critical contamination due to the damage of the heat exchanger. Now, with gas test, you can foresee issues caused by the leakage of the heat exchanger, plan preventive maintenance of the heat exchangers, and ensure quality of your product in the future.